Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Welcome to G Masters Spoken English course. Let's have a review of what we have learned so far. 12 vowels, namely I, E, E, Ya, A, O, U, A. These are the 12 vowels in spoken English. And then we have learnt 8 diphthongs, namely A, I, Oi, Ear, Ear, Oor, Ow, and Ew. Today we are going to learn about the English consonants. In English, there are 24 consonants, and these 24 consonants are based on the place of articulation and manner of articulation. Here you see the 24 consonants based on the place of articulation. Articulation means making the sound, pronunciation. Pa, ba, ma, wa. Pa, ba, ma, wa. All these four are pronounced by using both our lips. Therefore, these four consonants are called bilabial consonants. The first three, pa, ba, ma, are popular sounds. But please see the fourth consonant, wa. You must round up your lips to pronounce this wa, wa. Then fa, va, ta, the. Here, fa and va belonging to one group. They are called labiodental. That means press your lower lip with the upper ridge of the teeth. Fa, va, fa, va. And the other two are dental. Ta, the, ta, the. It is join both the ridges of your teeth and the air should come out from the gap between the ridges of the teeth. Ta, the. And then ta, da, sa, za, na, la, ra, cha, ja, sha. This is ja, ja, ja. And this is not written English J, but in spoken English, this symbol is for ya. This is ya. Ja, sh, r, ya. Now we come to the last four sounds. You know, the turning point in your mouth where a very small tongue is hanging from upward. That small tongue is called velam, and the sound is called velar sounds. The three ka, ga, nga are called velar consonants, and the last one, this knot in the neck, may not be seen for the youngsters and very fat persons, but for the old people or very lean people, you can have this glottis. This is called glottis, and this sound ha is produced from glottis. Therefore, it's called glottal sound. Ka, ga, nga, velar sounds, and ha is the glottal sound. Let's name them. Consonant 1, C1 is pa. C2 ba. C3 ma. C4 wa. C5 fa. C6 va. C7 ta. C8 the. C9 ta. C10 the. C11 sa. C12 z. C13 na. C14 la. C15 ra. C16 cha. C17 ja. C18 sh, and C19 ra. C20 ya. C21 ka. C22 ga. C23 nga. C24 ha. Now we shall see some examples for each and every English consonant. Now let's see all the 24 consonants in detail with examples. Consonant first, C1 pa. Pin, puppy. Pass, peace, cap. Pin is easy to understand and pronounce, but see puppy in spelling, puppy has got P-U-P-P-Y, but the double P must be pronounced as single. Puppy, puppy. Then pass. I have got a pass for the train. Peace. It has got two spellings. P-I-E-C-E. Piece means a small bit. Give me a piece of paper. Another piece, P-E-A-C-E, the opposite of war. Jawaharlal Nehru worked hard for the world peace. Then pa is coming at the end of the word cap. He wears a cap always. This is the first consonant pa. Now C2, the second consonant is ba. Baby. See, we commit mistake in pronouncing this word. We simply call it baby. It is wrong. It must be pronounced as baby. The baby is crawling. Bus. B-U-S, bus. I am waiting for the bus. Then boy, please note my pronunciation. Don't say bye. It is absolutely wrong. It must be boy, boy. The boy is very clever. The next one is burst. This is the last and 12th vowel. Burst. The tire of the car has burst. Then tub. This b at the end of the word. T-U-B, tub. He takes bath in the tub. So, baby, bus, boy, burst, tub are the words having C2 ba. Now let's take C3, a very common sound, ma. See, man. He is a tall man. Then mother. See, this is the 5th vowel, a, and this is the 11th vowel, a. Mother, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. My mother is very kind. See, M-E-M-A-I-N, main must be written like this, spoken like this. Main, main, then here must. We must follow the law. Then gum, ma comes at the end. G-U-M, gum. Give me the bottle of the gum. So, man, mother, main, must, gum. In all these words, the third consonant ma has been used. Now, the fourth consonant C4, as I have told you already, please round up your lips. Va, va. Word, W-O-R-D. This word is very long. Then world. The world is in a globe. World. Then where, where. It has got two spellings, W-H-E-R-E. Where are you going now? Then W-E-R-E, where. They were very helpful. Where. And then this is which, W-H-I-C-H, which color do you like most? And this is why. Why? W-H-Y. Why are you late today? So, word, world, where, which, and why. All these are examples for the fourth consonant va. Please note, I have told you pa, ba, ma, wa are bilabial sounds. We use both our lips for pronouncing these four sounds. Now, the next two consonants are labiodental. I have already told the lower lip is pressed by the upper ridge of the teeth. Fa, fa. Fan, F-A-N, fan. This is a new fan. Fun, F-U-N, fun. This fun is interesting. Then first, F-I-R-S-T, he has won the first prize. Then finish, F-I-N-I-S-H should be written like this. I finish my work. Then the pa sound at the end of the word, tough. See here, the fifth consonant, vowel, a, is in between ta and fa, tough. But the spelling is T-O-U-G-H. The question was very tough. The sixth consonant, C6, is labiodental, va. Please note the difference between the fourth consonant, va, and the sixth consonant, va. Because most of the people confuse. They don't know the difference between va and va. For V, van. The children go to school in a van. Vanish. See, this is the fourth vowel. Va. Vanish. Vanish means disappear. The moon vanishes at the daytime. Valve. This machine has got only one valve. Veg, the short form of vegetarian. And then 5, F-I-V-E must be pronounced as I. You know, this is D2, I. 5. There are 5 fingers in our hand. Therefore, van, vanish, valve, veg, 5. In all these words, the consonant va is used. Now, let us take C7. The 7th consonant in spoken English is ta. It's not found in ABCD alphabet. It is a peculiar sound meant only for spoken English. Ta. Tar. The road is laid by the tar. And then think. Think your plan before you start. THINK. Think. Thin. THIN. This paper is very thin. Then 3. THREE. The second vowel is used here. 3. 3 boys swim in the tank. 3. Then thick. THICK. Thick is pronounced like this. The very first vowel after ta. Thick. So, ta, think, thin, 3, thick are the examples for the seventh consonant ta. Now, the eighth consonant, the. This eighth consonant sound is not found in ABCD alphabet. Note it. So, the girl is very clever. THE, the. And this, THIS. This book is costly. They, please don't say they. It is wrong. It must be pronounced as they. The very first diphthong, ye, is used here. They are the players. And there. Here, the fourth diphthong, ye, is used. And the spelling is two different words. THERE, there, or THEIR, there. Same sound, there. And then these, the second vowel E is used here. These are the pictures drawn by me. Hence, the, this, they, there, these. In all these words, the eighth consonant, C8, the, is used. C9, the ninth consonant of spoken English, is ta. Take. TAKE. Please don't pronounce it as take. Take is wrong. Take. Then tick. TICK. Tick is pronounced like this. Give a tick for the right answer. Tent. The tent is long. Bent. We bent in the church. Then beat. The second vowel is used here. BEAT. Don't beat the animals. Take, tick, tent, bent, beat. In all these words, the ninth consonant ta is used. Now C10, the 10th consonant da. You must bend your tongue inside to have a clear pronunciation. Da, da. See, dog. Then the dog is brown. Dam. The dam is high. Drink. Drink the pure water. Danger. D-A-N-G-E-R. Touching the live wire is a danger. See, danger. Then bad. The sound da comes at the end. Bad. This is a bad place. So, dog, dam, drink, danger, bad. In all these words, you can find the consonant the. Now C11, the 11th consonant is a very popular sound, sa. Circus. Please note, in spelling, 2 times we use C, but it gives the sound sa. Circus. And then I went to the circus last evening. Science. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. But I, the second consonant, diphthong, is used here. Science. Science is a modern subject. Since I am waiting for the bus since 10 o'clock, S-I-N-C-E is pronounced as since. And then second. Second. I am the second son of my father. Then success. See the spelling? Success. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Circus, science, since, second, success are the words having sa consonant. Now, the 12th consonant is z. Z. Zenith. Z-E-N-T-H. Zenith means the top point. He has reached the zenith. Zoo. This is the 10th vowel. Zoo. I visited the zoo last Sunday. Zebra. The second vowel. Zebra. Zebra is a tall animal. Zinc, the name of a metal. The zinc does not rust. Zinc. Zigzag, that is not straight. Zigzag. Therefore, zenith, zoo, zebra, zinc, zigzag. I told you zebra is a tall animal. No, it's wrong. Zebra is a striped animal. Then the consonant 13 is also a popular sound. Na. Now, see, you must use this ow, the seventh diphthong. Ow, now. 9. There are 9 stars in astrology. And then knowledge. Most of us mispronounce it. Knowledge they say is wrong. Knowledge. He has improved his general knowledge. Then nothing. I know nothing in chemistry. Nothing. Then noise. The children make much noise. Now 9. Knowledge. Nothing. Noise. All these words have got this sound of na. Now let us take the 14th consonant la. Is also a popular sound. La. Last. The 6th vowel. Ah. Last. Lose. The 10th vowel. Oo is here. Lose. The cork is loose. Then light. The light is dim here. Final. The final match will be held tomorrow. Final. Then fill. Fill the bottle with water. Last, loose, light, final, fill are the examples for the sound la. The 15th consonant C15 is non-stop. You know, it is a non-stop sound. Read. There are 2 spellings for it. R-E-A-D. I read a story. This R-E-E-D, reed, is a kind of grass on the banks of the rivers. Reed. The reed is tall and green. Then root. This sound also has 2 different spelling. R-O-O-T, root. The root of the tree goes deep. R-O-U-T-E, root. This is the shortest root. Then rust. R-U-S-T, rust. Oxidation of iron. Rear. Rear means back. The rear tire is punctured. Then green. G-R-E-E-N. Green is a common color. Therefore, reed, root, rust, rear, green are the examples for the sound ra. Now, cha, cha. This sound is not found in alphabet ABCD. Cha. Chalk. We use the chalk to write on the blackboard. Chain. A chain of machines work in the factory. Then chin. C-H-I-N, chin. This part of the face is called chin. And then match. The cricket match is postponed. And then batch. I belong to the 5th batch. Chalk, chain, chin, match, batch are the examples for the 16th consonant cha. Alright. C17. The 17th consonant is ja. Judge. See, in the beginning and in the ending, this sound is coming. Judge. J-U-D-G-E. He is a judge in the High Court. Join. J-O-I-N. We have east here. Oi, join, join. I wish to join the Navy. Joy, J-O-Y. But the sound is oi, joy. Christmas is a time of joy. Junction, a place to meet. Trichy railway junction is very big. Ginger, a spice. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Then C18 is shine. Shine in your life. S-H-I-N-E. Shoe. I bought a new shoe. Shame. Some people mispronounce it as shame. Shame is wrong. Shame. Shame means insult. It is a matter of shame. Shut. Shut means to close. S-H-U-T. Shut. Dash. D-A-S-H. Dash. The two-wheeler dash against a truck. So, shine, shoe, shame, shut, dash are the words in which you find C18, sha. Now C19, a very hard sound. Listen carefully. I will pronounce it thrice. Y, y, y. Young. See, this word is completely different from the spelling. The spelling for young is G-E-N-R-E. Essay, poetry, prose, grammar are the different young of literature. Then measure. Simply we say measure, but it is not sha, but it is ya. Measure. We measure the length of the room. Then vision. vision, the sight of the eye. Vision. His vision is weak. Treasure. 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 A huge wealth is called treasure. Treasury. Then pressure. 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 Hence, pressure, treasure, vision, measure, young are the words having the sound ya. C20. Once again, I remind you, this is not the alphabet J in ABCD. In spoken English, it is ya. Young. He is a young player. Yarn, thread. The yarn is nice. Yard, an open place. The shipyard is vast. Hello, hello. See here, the last diphthong number 8, U, has been used. Yellow, W-E-L-L-O-W. His shirt is yellow. And then year. 12 months make a year. Y-E-A-R. Young, yarn, yard, yellow, year are the examples for the 20th consonant ya. Consonant number 21 is a common sound, and please remember these three sounds ka, ga, nga are velar sound because they are pronounced from velam, a very small tongue hanging. Velar sound. Ka. Color. See the spelling? C-O-L-O-U-R. In American English, it is written as C-O-L-O-R. The color is bright. Camp. Ka sound. Though we use C, it is camp. C-A-M-P. The camp is for 10 days. Then cash. Get cash by giving the check. C-A-S-H. Cash. And then kettle. Kettle. It is a tea kettle. Please note it in the spelling. K-E-T-T-L-E are used, but in this sound it must be pronounced as kettle. Then can. The water can is full. C-A-N. Can. And then the 22nd consonant of spoken English is G. Girl. She is a pretty girl. gang. They are a gang of thieves. Gain more knowledge by reading books. Gain. Then ground, Ground, must be pronounced as out, ground. The ground is wet. Then gown, that is, the girl has worn a brown gown. Gown, ground, gain, gang, girl are the examples for the sound G. Now, the 23rd consonant in spoken English is ing. Ing. The peculiarity of this 23rd sound is it will not come in the beginning of any word. It will come either in the middle of a word or at the end of the word. King, King. Asoka was a famous king. Ring, give me a gold ring, or ing. Then Young, he is a young boy. Now, please note it very carefully. What you are learning is spoken English. English. Because some people mispronounce it as English or English. But the correct pronunciation is English. English. English must be pronounced as English. Then finger. This is the pointing finger. 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 King, ring, young, English, finger are the examples for the sound ing. Now, the last and the 24th consonant is glottal. From this place, this sound is rising. Ha, ha. And this sound will be silent in the middle and at the end of a word. Only in the beginning it will be used. See, height. My height is 175 centimeters. HEIGHT, height. And then hat. He is wearing a French hat. Then heat. Heat your body because it's very cold. Heat. And then head. HEAD. But the sound is head. And then hand. HAND. Must be pronounced as hand. So, height, hat, heat, head and hand are the examples for the last, final and 24th consonant ha. By this, we have completed all the 44 sounds of spoken English. Thank you.